As a professional horticulturist, I am going to share a major industry secret for maximizing crop yields without expensive fertilizers. It is called microbial carbon loading. When your crops hit their mid-season growth spurt, their metabolic demands skyrocket. By introducing a high-density carbohydrate solution directly to the root zone, you bypass the slow process of natural photosynthesis distribution and feed the soil engine directly. The protocol is remarkably simple. You need to mix exactly 2 cups of standard granulated white sugar into 1 gallon of warm water until it is fully dissolved. Apply this weekly as a root drench, pouring roughly a 1/4 gallon directly at the base of heavy feeders like tomatoes, peppers, and brassicas. The science behind this process is incredibly sound. Soil microbes are constantly starved for carbon. By flooding the rhizosphere with easily digestible sucrose, you trigger an immediate microbial population boom. These billions of new bacteria rapidly process the surrounding soil. They convert locked-up minerals into a highly bioavailable form that the plant can instantly uptake. You are essentially putting your soil biome into overdrive. This results in an explosive increase in foliage density and accelerated fruit set within days. Do not spray this solution on the leaves. Keep it strictly at the soil level to ensure the energy is directed entirely toward root optimization and subterranean microbial synthesis. Trust this system and watch your garden thrive.